So let's pick a design. How about a fun built-in design? You got so many neat ones. Take the time to stitch them out. You'll notice that when you get a design on your screen, it will show you the hoop size that it fits in. So I'll always tell you which hoop size to use. Now, one thing I'm noticing, this is the medium hoop size, but I am right at the edge. So for any reason, I would need to move that any bit side to side if I wasn't hooped exactly right. I don't have much leeway. So this would be a time where I would recommend touching the picture of the hoop and going up to your next size. So your small, medium, and oval hoop is what comes with this machine, but you can see definitely now I'd have a little bit more room to move it left or right or as I would need. But your other hoops that you have here, you have a mega hoop, which is 6 inches by, let's see, is it 16 tall? That's a nice one. And then you get into a maxi hoop, which is also that tall hoop, but 8 inches wide. The jumbo hoop, if you do purchase this one, you're going to notice that you're going to have a straight edge here that technically is set up for the Bernina 8 series because it has a bigger embroidery area. But if you bought that hoop and then ended up upgrading your machine, then that hoop would fit the next machine up. So you can use that. But now that we have the what I call the maxi hoop, as noted here, you can tell your shape is a little bit different, meaning for those edges, which one you actually would want to buy. So I would say if you're going to stick with this machine, just buy the maxi hoop. But these are your hoop options that you can work with, and you can see that everything is set up, and the machine will not let you put the wrong hoop on and embroider. It actually can sense. It has a way to sense which hoop you actually have put on. Even if you tell it you have the oval hoop on and then you switch it and put the medium hoop on, it will know before you sew. That's how smart this machine is. So just make sure that you always tell the machine what size of hoop you're using, otherwise it will recommend the size that you put on to switch to that, which is really nice. But just note that you have lots of options and whatever fits in that. And then of course, if you go to make it bigger, let's go into and size it. Once you go past the outside edge, that hoop will turn red, and all you have to do is just kind of bring it back into position, and then you'll know, or reduce the size, that you're safe to stitch when the hoop is not red. It is ready to go.